In this video, I'll show you how to upload a custom hat to Roblox. Before you start, there are a few requirements to know. Your Roblox account must be age verified. You will also need Roblox Studio installed on your computer. And uploading a hat costs 750 Robux as an upfront fee. First, create your hat in a 3D modeling program like Blender and export it as an FBX or OBJ file. Now, open Roblox Studio and start a new project. Go to the Avatar tab at the top and click Import 3D. Select your file and wait for it to load into the project. Once your model is imported, open the Accessory Fitting tool from the Avatar tab. Select your imported model and set the asset type to Hat. You will see a dummy character on screen. Adjust the position of your hat on the dummy to make sure it fits correctly and sits in the right place. Once you are happy with the placement, click Generate Mesh Part Accessory. This will convert your model into a proper Roblox accessory object. Now look for the new accessory object in the Explorer window on the right side. Right-click on it and select Save to Roblox. A configuration window will open. Set the content type to Avatar Item. Fill in your title and description, and make sure the asset category is set to Hat. Once everything is filled in, click Submit and pay the 750 Robux fee. Your hat will then be sent to Roblox for moderation, and once it is approved, it will be available on the marketplace. That is how you do it.